So the primary story when you're looking at kind of new investors or new geographic investors has been Asian money, which I've talked about a lot in the last few panels I've been on, etc. But you see Korean money in particular, but you're also seeing money from the Philippines and money even further abroad. And within that Asian money pool is also we're starting to see Middle Eastern money. So we're seeing money come from the UAE, we're seeing money come from Saudi. And at this point it's on kind of initial due diligence and homework on the markets. But we do have reason to believe that you're going to see transactions both on a platform level, where you're going to be seeing them buying into existing investor platforms and developers, and also on the asset level, where they're starting to get interested in terms of buying assets directly in our markets, which they really haven't been up until now, barring a few transactions in Hungary, really. But they are now looking at Poland, they're looking at Czech Republic, and they're looking to build up a footprint in Central Europe. So those are really it. I think that it's still early days for North American investors. U.S. money is slightly pulled back, but I believe that Canadian money is starting to at least do their homework again for the first time in a long while. So I would expect if you're looking 18, 24 months out, you may see some Canadian funds coming back into the market on a more direct basis. And then otherwise, I think that it's the domestic capital story that continues to grow. Looking at the transaction volumes from last year, you range from really 35% in Czech Republic to over 50% in Hungary being domestic capital. And we expect this trend to continue going forward, with the only outliers really being Romania and Poland, where they just simply haven't had the domestic capital structure in order to deploy the capital that's sitting there.